Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to put a text behind an object using Adobe Premiere 2023. I think this could work from Adobe Premiere 2021 and above, so no worries on that. So let's begin. Well, the first step will be to create a new layer. To do that, we need to have the Essential Graphics. If you don't have these windows, you can go to Window and search for Essential Graphics. Click here and you will have it. Probably you will be here where it says Browse, but we need to go to Edit. And this icon means that you can create a new layer. We can click here and I will select a text. This could also work with vertical text, but let's go with text. Okay, so as you can see, we will have this text. We can align it and we can make it bigger, and of course we can change the content. In my case, I just want to put this word. I will make it bigger. We can use this tool to resize it and we can align it again. Of course, we can change the distance between letters with this tool as well, so you can do that as well. I will center that and maybe a bit bigger as well, so we can see like two different letters there, but you can move it with these options. You can adjust it as you want. In my case, I think that's great. Okay, so we need to make sure that the text has the same length as the video, and the next step will be to duplicate our video into the third row. And as you can see, we have the duplicated video. We need to go to effects as well. If you don't have this option, you can go to window and click here where it says effect, and it's really important for you to have effect controls. So yeah, you can click in these options. We will go to effect and we need to search for color key. Okay, so where it says video effects keying color key, we need to drag this to the third video or the third row where it's the video, and that's it. We can go to effect controls. It's really important that the video have a very good contrast between the object you want to use and the background. So in this case we have a very good contrast between the Eiffel Tower and the sky, so we don't have any issues. We need to use the key color option. We need to use this tool and we need to select the background. In my case it's the sky. So we need to change the color tolerance, and as you can see the text will pop up below the object. Depending on how much we use this, we will have a better or a worse result. For me, I think that's really good, where it says I don't know, 80. That's good, and as you can see the effect works pretty well. Okay guys, so this is the tutorial. I hope you like it. Don't forget to leave a like, and that's it. Bye.